Everyone thinks the best-selling bike trainer stands are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Sportneer Bike Trainer. First up, we've got the Sportneer Bike Trainer, priced at $103.99. What caught my eye? It's designed to fit most bikes, and it has a solid 4.3-star rating from over 8,200 reviews. If you want a reliable indoor cycling experience, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's break down why this product might just solve your indoor training needs. It's compatible with a wide range of bikes, from 26 to 28 inches and even 700cc wheels. That's great because you won't be limited in choosing your bike. The standout feature is its 6-level magnetic resistance adjustment. This means you can easily switch from flat rides to steep climbs without breaking a sweat, all thanks to the bar-mounted remote control. It's perfect for customizing your workout intensity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With the quick-release lever and front-wheel riser block, you can transition between indoor and outdoor cycling seamlessly. Stability is another plus. It has a wide base and rubber feet to keep it firmly in place during your workout. Now, some folks have mentioned that it can be a bit noisy, especially if you're using certain tire types. But here's the thing. Most of that noise comes from the tire itself, not the trainer. If you stick to slick tires, you'll have a much quieter experience. This is perfect for you if you want a stable, reliable trainer that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-compact, since it does take a bit of space. For the price, it definitely offers solid value for money. Now, if the noise factor bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. CXWXC Magnetic Trainer. Next up is the CXWXC Magnetic Trainer, priced at $98.98. This one caught my eye because it has a higher rating of 4.5 stars from 857 reviews. If you want a sturdy, reliable trainer for your indoor workouts, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this model is its incredible stability. It can support up to 330 pounds, making it ideal for heavier cyclists. The pyramid structure design ensures that it's stable, which is crucial when you're really pushing your limits. Plus, it offers 6 resistance levels, adjustable directly from the handlebars, making it easy to ramp up your training intensity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're stuck indoors due to bad weather, this trainer can help you maintain your fitness without compromise. Just mount your bike, adjust the resistance, and you're good to go. However, some users did mention that it could be a bit more challenging to assemble. But I'll be real with you. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. I wouldn't let that minor flaw hold you back, especially for the stability and ease of use it provides. This is perfect for you if you value stability and want to train hard indoors. But if you're looking for something ultra lightweight and portable, you might want to keep looking. For its price, it's definitely a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a quieter ride. Product number 3, FDW Bike Trainer Stand. Now we have the FDW Bike Trainer Stand, priced at just $45.30. Honestly, I was surprised by the value this one offers, especially with a 4.2-star rating from nearly 700 reviews. If you're on a budget but still want a dependable trainer, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for road bikes and boasts 5 resistance settings. When you adjust the resistance, you can go from flat rides to steep climbs, simulating real cycling conditions. This feature is important because it allows you to customize your workout intensity without having to step outside. What's really nice is how easy it is to assemble. You can set it up in about 15 minutes, which is a huge plus for those who just want to get on their bike and start riding. It's also compact and portable, making it easy to store when you're not using it. However, the downside? Some users reported that it could be a bit noisy on rough mountain bike tires. But I'll be honest, if you swap to smoother tires, you'll hardly notice any sound. That shouldn't deter you if you're looking for an economical choice. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, budget-friendly trainer. Skip this if you ride a mountain bike with rough tires, as that might be a deal breaker. For the price, you really can't beat the value. Now, if you want something a bit more premium and quieter, the next option is definitely something to consider. Product number 4, Alpcore Bike Trainer Stand. Next, let's talk about the Alpcore Bike Trainer Stand, priced $159.95. This caught my eye because it blends quality with a high rating of 4.4 stars from 1,900 reviews. If you're serious about your indoor training, this is worth a serious look. What stands out is its super quiet magnetic technology. The built-in noise reduction means you can train without disturbing anyone. This feature is crucial if you live in an apartment or have a family at home. You won't have to worry about waking anyone up during your workout. Also, it offers 6 fixed resistance levels, which you can change easily with a handlebar-mounted cable controller. This lets you simulate various terrains, from flat roads to steep inclines. It's perfect for building endurance and strength. Some users mentioned that it's a bit pricier than others, but here's the thing. The durability and quiet operation make it worth the investment for dedicated cyclists. If you truly want to optimize your indoor training, this could be a great long-term solution. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, durable trainer that can mimic real cycling experiences. Skip this if you're on a very tight budget, as it might stretch your wallet a bit. For those who are serious, it's a good investment. Alright, that was a fantastic option. But if you're looking for something even more affordable yet effective, my last pick might surprise you. Product number 5. Yahitech Magnetic Trainer Stand. Finally, we have a Yahitech Magnetic Trainer Stand, priced at $79.99. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 2,200 reviews, this one caught my attention for its balance of quality and price. If you want a reliable trainer that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. It features adjustable magnetic resistance, allowing you to choose your level of challenge. The low noise operation is a game changer. You can train without disturbing your household. This matters because maintaining a peaceful environment while you work out can be a big plus for many. However, some users found that it requires slick tires for optimal performance. But honestly, that's not a huge drawback. It's about making a small adjustment to enhance your training experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable trainer that still offers solid performance. Skip this if you don't want to invest in smoother tires, as that could limit your experience. For the price, it's a no-brainer for budget-conscious cyclists. So there you have it. We've covered the Sportneer, CXWXC, FDW, Alpcore, and Yahitech Bike Trainer Stands. Each has its strengths, whether it's affordability, stability, or quiet operation. Depending on your specific needs, one of these trainers might just be the perfect fit for your indoor cycling journey.